A sweeping aerial view of smoky hills and firefighters battling flames, captured by drones flying overhead. Breaking news out of Los Angeles. Wildfires have once again erupted in the region, and this time, we're bringing you the latest updates with cutting-edge drone technology. From the front lines of the fire to critical evacuation zones, let's see how drones are changing the way we respond to disasters. This is the current situation in the hills just north of Los Angeles. These incredible aerial views captured by drones give us a real-time understanding of the scale and intensity of the wildfire. The fire has already consumed over 5,000 acres, forcing thousands to evacuate. But, thanks to drones, responders can now assess the damage faster and plan their next moves more efficiently. Drones equipped with thermal cameras are helping firefighters locate the hottest parts of the fire, known as hotspots. These insights allow them to focus their efforts where they're needed most. Some drones are even taking action themselves, deploying fire retardants in areas that helicopters and ground crews can't safely reach. In addition to fighting the flames, drones are assisting with evacuations. Real-time footage helps emergency teams monitor evacuation routes, ensuring they remain clear and safe for residents fleeing the danger zone. And in some cases, drones are saving lives, like this rescue team, who used drone visuals to locate a family trapped in their home just hours ago. Drones aren't just for immediate response, they're also invaluable for assessing the environmental damage. Thermal imaging and high-resolution cameras provide data on destroyed vegetation, wildlife impact, and areas at risk for future fires. This data will play a key role in rebuilding efforts and improving strategies to prevent wildfires in the future. While drones are a powerful tool, they're not without challenges. Dense smoke can limit visibility, and strong winds from the fire itself can make flying difficult. Still, advancements in technology are helping mitigate these issues. As these brave men and women work tirelessly to protect our homes and communities, we're reminded of how crucial technology has become in these moments. But remember, if you're in an evacuation zone, listen to authorities and get out safely. No footage is worth risking your life. That's it for today's update on the Los Angeles fire. If you want to see more on how technology is transforming disaster response, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. Let's stay safe and informed together.